Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how you can create a campaign on NisWire. So, in order to begin, first you will have to create a list from within HubSpot, which you can do by clicking CRM and then lists, and you will be shown on the screen. You can add filters as per your requirements and create lists on which you can run campaigns using NisWire, which I'll show you how. So come to contacts and search for any contact on HubSpot. Navigate to the NisWire CRM action drop-down card. Click on Start Campaign. So you will be shown a screen as such. So here you will be able to create a template. This is the template name and the template message that you can write. And these are all the previously created templates that you will be able to see. So I have created a template with the name and the message here. What you also can do is insert a placeholder. So if you want to personalize your message, you can say hi, post name. So this is a contact property from HubSpot. Now you can accordingly create a template here. You can view the campaign that you have created here. In order to run a campaign, you have to click on Run Campaign. You can essentially create a list as per filter and run a campaign on them accordingly. So you can select the templates that you have previously created. So your message will be shown here. And then you can select an HubSpot list and run that campaign on them accordingly. Now, if you see here, you'll be able to see two options: send. Now, if you click on send, you will be immediately able to send your campaign to the list that you want to send. But if you do not want to send the campaign immediately, you can alternatively also schedule it. So if you click on this, you'll be asked to select a date or time from the calendar. Now, in order to view your existing campaigns, you can simply click on campaigns and you'll be able to see the list of all your existing campaigns here.